Hi friends! It's Michelle, author and illustrator of Thank You Animals. It's been a while since my last video, but I've got something really exciting for you guys today. Let's check it out. I love dancing, and so does, ta-da! Douglas the donkey! And you can make your very own dancing donkey right now. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download and print the template. You also need something to color with. I'm using brush markers. You'll then need a pair of scissors, a hole punch, 4 metal fasteners, clear tape, twine, and a chopstick, or any stick of that length and size. Now flip to Douglas the Donkey in your copy of Thank You Animals. Let's get started. The first step is to color in the template. You can use the book as reference, or you can use your own colors. Next, grab a pair of scissors and cut out the shapes. You'll have 5 pieces in total. Then, use the hole punch to punch holes where the little circles are. Once that's done, use the metal fasteners to attach Douglas's arms and legs to his body. Leave the fasteners loose so that the limbs move around easily. Next, cut out 3 pieces of twine, making sure they are long enough to be tied around the chopstick and attached to Douglas's head and limbs. Then, tie the twine to the chopstick and flip Douglas over and tape the twine to the back of his head, arms, and legs, like so. Tie a knot at the ends of the twine so they don't fray, and snip off the extra length. Hold Douglas up from the chopstick and tilt the chopstick left and right. Now you have a dancing donkey. Wasn't that fun? Douglas is one of my favorite characters. If you like this project, click like and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more videos. See you next time!